Hello my lovely friends and fans of Just Shake or Steer. Thank you for sticking around when I was away for a month a little bit, kind of a taking step back to do a few other things and take a little rest from the busy holiday season. But I'm back, and I'm back just in the perfect time for St. Valentine, because today I'm gonna share with you a cocktail which is a wonderful take on the famous Clover Club, but with few tweaks, just so I can give you an idea for a wonderful Valentine cocktail. And this is gonna be the first of two. The second one will be shared with you in a couple of days' time, but we're gonna start with this one. And today, I'm very, very happy to introduce you to a wonderful Latin gin. Yes, so the guys contact me and say, would you like to try the gin? And as a photographer, I've seen the bottle and I'm like, boy, I want to shoot this. I want to take a picture. It's so beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. But not only that, they decide to send me one more, which is the Latin Beach gin. But for this, we're going to talk about further down in the channel. Today, we're taking the Latin gin lovers because it's a beautiful gin and have fantastic strawberry and rose flavor. The gin is absolutely fantastic. It's very well balanced. It's bring this wonderful, refreshing and beautiful spring summer flavor. Even we are not yet in spring and summer, we're getting there, and St. Valentine's, it's perfect to share a wonderful cocktail with you. So if you're ready for some shakes, tears and sips, let's see what I have prepared for you today. Right, as always, first we're gonna crack on with the ingredients. And as I mentioned, this is the Latin gin. This one is the Latin lovers. It's a beautiful finish with strawberry and rose. Fantastic flavor, fantastic pairing of flavors, because strawberry and rose go really well. The gin is very mellow, very sippable, absolutely amazing just to enjoy with a light tonic. But of course, in the heart of the gin, the creation of this gin, it's made not just to be enjoyed as a gin and tonic, but also to give us bartenders the ability to create wonderful cocktails for you, or teach you how to create wonderful cocktails. So the Clover Club, for many of you, you know, it's a gin, raspberries, lemon, egg white. We have a little bit of dry vermouth. It's a wonderful, very, very long time classic, and many people love it. But today we're gonna follow the recipe, and we're just going to change a few of the ingredients so we can match the profile of this gin and give it a little kind of a chance to shine in the cocktail. So for this, I'm gonna replace my dry vermouth with a wonderful Calvados. The reason why is because strawberries pairs fantastic with apples, and not only that, but with roses. Believe it or not, these flavors go really well together. Of course, when we're talking about strawberry, we'll be elevating the strawberry flavor with help of the strawberry liqueur, which have so much punch and so much dominant flavor, which is absolutely fantastic. To balance, of course, a freshly squeezed lemon juice in this case, and to make the cocktail silky, fluffy, smooth, and rise this lovely little hat on the top, we're going to use egg white. If you're ready, let's build this a wonderful variation of Clover Club. So the cocktail is shaken, but we're gonna go with a fairly good measure of our gin. I want it to be a nice and dominant, because everything else is gonna be there just to support this gin and make a final balance of the cocktail fantastic. So we are going with 2 ounces or 60 ml of the gin, and just a little drop of the Calvados, which is going to be a 10 ml. And of course, we're gonna move to our beautiful sweetener in this case. Bear in mind, this Calvados also gonna introduce a little bit of sweetness, but it's absolutely fine pairing with the gin and the liqueur. So we're going to go with a 15 ml of our strawberry liqueur. Then we're going to the lemon juice just to balance all this sweetness. Just 15 ml. Half an ounce, you don't need any more or less. It's absolutely perfect. And for the egg white, full egg white inside. And of course, to create this velvety texture, and make it everything incorporate really nicely. First, we're gonna have to break the egg. So we are going to do a little dry shake. Hold your shaker really steady because when the egg expands, it's pushing the air inside and the shaker could easily blow on you and you can be covered in the cocktail. So make sure you hold it really nicely. Give it a quick, like a very quick, brief dry shake, okay? There you go, that's all you need. The egg is broken inside, it's create this wonderful foam, it's beautifully incorporated with all the ingredients. And now we just need to cool down the cocktail, shake it down as well. So fill up your shaker with ice. And as always, my dog waiting patiently. Come on, Merc. Off you go. It's just low ice, I can't ignore them. Close your shaker nicely and give it a good shake so we can even make this froth and the texture even more airy, okay? Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. The aromas coming from the shaker, it's fantastic. So strain your cocktail. Look at that beauty. It's a wonderful froth on the top, it's airy, it's light, it's really, really delightful. And to garnish, which is completely optional of course, but I do suggest to have a little garnish. You can use a fresh strawberry, and that's what I'm gonna do in my case. However, I've picked the strawberry and I cut it a little bit like a lovely heart shape, yeah? So just here on the side. And this, my friends, is the lovely take on the Clover Club, my take on Clover Club. It is fantastic, I've already tried it, so I will keep this glass to make the thumbnail, but it's wonderful, light, velvety texture, bursting of flavor, beautiful combination from apple, strawberries, and roses. I haven't given name to the cocktail because I'll leave this to you. Call it as you wish, whatever you make it, give it your own unique name. I'm just giving you the recipe and I wish you a fantastic St. Valentine's Day, whatever you decide to do. Make sure you pop in 2 days time when I present another version, another options for you for St. Valentine, which is a little bit more on the strong side, but it's a beautiful expression and a nice take on the Negroni template. Until then, as always, stay safe and I love you and I leave you now. Bye-bye.